Hello everyone, this is Bhuvanas here. Welcome to my channel Bhuvanas Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare instant dosa with leftover rice. If you like this recipe, please give me a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Please give your comments and suggestions if any in the comment section below. Now over to the recipe. In a mixie jar, add 1 cup cooked rice. I am using here little overcooked rice. Now add 3/4 cup wheat flour. And 3/4 cup rice flour. So we are using equal proportions of wheat flour and rice flour. Add half a cup curd. And finally add some salt to taste. Now we are going to blend this together to a fine paste. Make sure there are no lumps formed. I have used around half a cup of water while grinding. The batter is almost ready now. But now we are going to adjust this dosa batter consistency. Transfer the batter to a bowl. The batter is little thick, so I am going to add another 1/4 cup water here. Nicely mix the batter. So now the dosa batter is ready. If your rice is not little overcooked, you can also blend it separately, then add the remaining ingredients. By making this way, you can avoid the lumps in the dosa batter. Now heat the tawa and spread some oil. Spread the dosa batter evenly. Spread some oil or ghee on top of the dosa and cook until it's crispy. Make sure you stick with the measurements, otherwise you will not get a perfect dosa. Now the instant dosa is ready and you can serve it with any chutney of your choice. Thanks for watching this video. This is Bhuvanas signing off from you. See you again with an interesting video. Thank you and bye-bye.